Here we are in Midtown Miami, beautiful, trendy, youngish area. You can walk to go everywhere. And we are working with a client that she rents in a building right there. And she wants to be in the area because it's very convenient. You don't need a car. You can do everything around the area. We saw a unit for Midtown. We saw one at Hyde Midtown, but the master is very small at Hyde Midtown. So we're gonna go back and see a unit at the 4 Midtown with this beautiful view. We can see the city. We can see a tennis court, pool, and just amazing views. And we are going to the lobby. The lobby is so trendy and modern. And we are going to submit an offer here. She's very happy.